Hi everybody, welcome back to Arm Candy. We've got a really pretty mulberry to show you today. It is a mulberry Tyndale and it is in this really nice light antique blue colour. And we've had one in like this, in this colour before, and it just gives me such kind of Alice in Wonderland kind of feel. It is really cute, I love this colour. So we've got one strap which is adjustable. Those buckles there, you can see we've got quite a few settings on there. We've got it kind of on a middle setting at the minute. And then we've got a drawstring closure for the top of the bag with a tiny little postman's lock fasten. So I'll open that up and show you inside. So that just twists open, opens there. And then you kind of just extend it so you can get into there. And then in there, we've got brown suede lining. And then we've also got a little removable, you can see it's removable on that little loop just over there, with a little leather strap, and then it is just a little zipped pouch. So I'll open that up and show you in there. So we've got the same lining in there, and it's just a nice little zipped pouch. So you can have it kind of out of the bag, or you can have it in there as an extra little pocket in there as well. So the condition of this bag, we have called it good all around, and I will show you why. As you can see, that colour still looks really nice all over. There's just a few little areas where there's some signs of wear, just along the strap here, along the closure. I'll get it right up to the camera so you can see it. It's just starting to discolour a little bit on that drawstring closure there, but it's not very noticeable. And the same thing on this side. You can see it's just starting to discolour a tiny bit along that strap on the side. And it's a similar thing on this side, just here. You can see just there where it's a slightly different colour to the rest of the bag, just discoloured a tiny bit. And that is where we've called the exterior good. Interior, again, we've called good, just for the fact that you can tell that it's been pre-loved and it's been used. There's nothing in particular for me to show you in there. I'll show you that little zipped pouch again. Just that you can tell that it has been used before, but it's still in very nice condition. And it's the same with the hardware. That gold tone hardware is still really nice. But there's just a few hairline scratches and marks on this postman's lock here. But all over, it is a very cute little bag. I'll show you what it comes with. So we've got just the mulberry dust bag. And if you wanted to know the exact measurements of the bag, go to the link in the description below. That is the link to shop this bag. So if you're interested in buying, click on that link and it should hopefully take you directly to this mulberry. If it doesn't, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. However, we do have a request list that you can get onto. So you just get in contact with us, let us know that you love this bag, and we will get you on our request list. And it doesn't just have to be this bag, it can be anything. It could be Mulberry, Gucci, Saint Laurent, Chanel, whatever it is that you have in mind, let us know, and we'll get you on that request list. And that just means that as soon as we get in a bag through the door that you like, we'll let you know, and hopefully you can get in there before everyone else. So as I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I'll show you on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4". So we've got it, again, kind of on the middle setting on that strap there. So you can have it as a shoulder, like that. If I had it as a shoulder, I'd probably have it a little bit shorter on one of the shorter settings, but it sits really comfortably and nicely on your shoulder. Or you can also have it as a crossbody, and again, just sits really nicely and comfortably. And even though it looks small, there is quite a lot of space in there. So you can definitely get quite a few bits in there to carry around with you day to day. So again, for more details on the bag, go to the link in the description below. Have a browse to our website while you're there, sign up to our newsletter, and we will send you through your welcome discount code. You can use that code on your first purchase with us, so that should go straight to your inbox. If you don't see it straight away in your inbox, check your junk or your spam folder. It might have gone in there, but don't miss out on that discount code. And also on our website, you'll find the How to Sell with Us page. So if you've got any bags that you'd like to sell with Arm Candy Bag Co, we'd love to see what you have. So get onto that page and find all the details you need to know about selling with us. And that's all I have for you, so I'll see you later with some more Arm Candy.